Hello WordPress people. So in this video we are going to talk about fixing a warning which says a component is changing an uncontrolled input to be controlled. So in this playlist in which we are learning Gutenberg blocks, and in one of the video I was getting this error when I add my block and start adding any text over here. So this warning was displaying in the console. So let me show you how it is coming and then we will try to fix it. So let me refresh this page, and meanwhile I will start npm for my plugin. So this is the plugin I am creating. So npm start, okay. So now before showing you an error, I will open the src edit.js, and in this file, in edit component, I have added the console.log for attributes. So we have number of attributes for our block. So I will open the block.json, and we have this 3 attributes at the moment. So these attributes are used in this edit function. So now I will add my custom block, which is BWP search, and initially you can see that there is nothing in this attribute, but we expect these 3 attributes should be there. And now in edit function we used text control, and in the value we are using attributes dot message, but currently there is no attribute dot message. So ideally this value is undefined. So now if I start writing something, we will get a warning, and yeah, let me copy this whole warning and we will read this warning. Before jumping into the code, if you are new to Gutenberg development, then I would suggest to watch or review this website called WPvoyage.com. This has very good tips and tricks regarding Gutenberg development and Gutenberg editor. So please go and check out this site. Thank you. So the fix is also there in this warning. We just need to read it carefully. So let's read the warning. So it is saying that this warning is likely caused by the value changing from undefined to defined value. So as I showed you initially, that we have this value. Initially it is an undefined value, and then when we start writing it becomes defined. So this is why it is happening, and this is the react thing. So in order to fix this, we should not have initial value undefined. So now let's make an initial value defined so that we don't get this error. So for that, in our block .json. So message attribute is the attribute we are expecting value. So in the attributes we can define a default value. So I'm gonna use that parameter over here, and I will define blank value. So that's okay if you don't add any default value. We just need to make this attribute defined. So blank value would be good enough to fix this. So now let me refresh this page again. Sorry. And let's clear the console, and now let's add our custom block. So previously we were not getting anything in this console.log or attributes. Now initially we are getting attributes.message with empty value. That means it's become defined. Now if I try to start writing anything, so yeah, no error or warning we are having at this moment. So that was the pretty simple solution. I got this solution from this link already given in this warning, so that's good. So let me show you that. So yeah, here they specified that it should be always have a value pass in the input component. So yeah, this was the fix. If you have any doubt or question, please write down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video.